Hi and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I make the absolute best buttercream. It tastes amazing and it's great for cake decorating. Let's get into it. For this recipe, you will need 1.5 cups or 3 sticks of butter at room temperature. If you're using unsalted butter, you'll also need a pinch of salt to taste, but about 1/8 teaspoon should do. About 4.5 cups of powdered sugar. I typically make sure I have a half of a bag available for the recipe. 4 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. You will also need either a stand mixer or a handheld electric mixer, a spatula, and whatever you're going to store the icing in after, either a piping bag for immediate use or an airtight container so you can save it for later. This recipe does keep in the fridge, but you will want to let it thaw and give it a good mix before using if you do refrigerate. Let's get started. First, whip your butter until it's all nice and fluffy. You want to incorporate as much air as possible into the butter itself before adding any other ingredients. Use your paddle attachment if you have it, and start with room temperature butter. Whip on high speed until the butter is nearly white, which indicates it has a lot of air in it. This will take about 7 minutes. Now go ahead and add in about 1/2 of the powdered sugar and all of the cream. If you're using unsalted butter, you'll also throw in a pinch of salt now. This simple addition adds dimension to the flavor and elevates the recipe overall. Now mix, mix, mix! The next step is to keep mixing in the powdered sugar until your buttercream is slightly more stiff than you'd like for your recipe. At that point, you'll add your vanilla extract, mix on high until everything is fully combined and fluffy, and voila! You have the best buttercream icing or frosting ever. Time to decorate your cakes, cupcakes, cookies, dip shortbread in it to have an elevated version of Dunkaroos, or eat it plain. I'm not judging. If you like this recipe and want to see more like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, y'all know it's free. I also have some other free recipes right here and over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.